All right, guys, June 4th, Wednesday. We just left East Cobb, Marietta, just got to Alpharetta, and this is a repeat client. I actually did the wood floors maybe about 2-3 years ago, and he called me. He saw me on Facebook, saw that I do the countertops. So we're gonna be doing some countertop vanities in the bathrooms and also the countertops in the kitchen. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, guys, so we're in Alpharetta, Georgia. All right, so it's cool because we kind of worked ourselves back to the shop. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is these countertops right here. Tavares is just taping off the appliances. Those right there is going to do a clean, buff, restore, polish, and seal. Actually, they're not too bad. Then we're going to be doing this right here. And then upstairs, because he basically took pictures. And that's one thing about the countertops. People can just take pictures and send it to me. And they do the same thing with the wood floors, but it's kind of more straightforward with the countertops. Masters here, which I should start upstairs first. Work myself down. Yep. And then there's another bathroom. He just said all the bathrooms right here. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Make sure, yeah, that's a in-between bathroom. All right, guys. Oh yeah, we have to finish upstairs.
Okay.
Yes, sir. All right, guys, this is my client Sam. He used me before. As soon as he walked in, he said, wow.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. All right, guys, so I'm just doing some finishing touches. Tavares did the upstairs, so I forgot I had two of my polishers on me, so he did the upstairs. I did the downstairs. Man, this looks amazing. I just booked another, I'm booked out until next Friday, but I had a client, his wife put a product on the floor, one of those store products, and they have family coming over this weekend. And he called me today and I said, man, I already got an appointment for tomorrow, but I can fit you in late because it's a small job. So that's the only reason I'm doing it. So he just accepted the estimate for tomorrow. So anyway, guys, wow, look at that. Wow. All right, well, we're going to go ahead and finish up. We'll see you guys tomorrow. 2 screener recoats and 1 with UV cure. And another countertop Friday and 2 countertops Saturday. All right, guys, see you next time. Guys, look at that. Client loved it. Look at that. Wow. So while I was downstairs, my guy Tavares, he did the upstairs. Look at that. Client loved it. Wow. Wow. Uh-oh. There's another bathroom. All right, guys. See you in the next one.